Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how can you print out any table using PHP and HTML. So let's get started. So I'll create a folder over here, create a few, create a folder printing table, PD. Okay, now I'll create a file over here called index.php, and I'll start a PHP server. So PHP -s localhost port will be 4321. Okay, I'll just split out my terminal and open that file. I'm using gate cd and gate index.php. And this is the reason. Let's see if it works. Firefox, incognito mode, local, localhost 4321. Yes, it is working. Now I'll start type out the basic HTML tag. So HTML body HTML close. Now here I want an input text box. I want an input text box. Okay. So for that I create a form tag. Form method is equal to post. Action is equal to same file index.php. Form close. Input type is equal to number, and name is equal to the name of that input field that will get extracted using PHP. So I'll just name it maybe input one. After that, input type is equal to submit, value is equal to let's go, and form close. That's what. Okay, let's see. Okay, now I want to get the value that I'm typing over here. So for that, inside, I just type here PHP, so PHP open, PHP close. I'll just get out this input one. So for that, I'll just create a variable is equal to this input field. So the name is input one. So I'll just the method I'm using here is post. The method I'm using here is post. So $_post, and I want the input one field. Let's print out that. Okay, printing printing of the table of an concatenation over here. Okay, now let's see if it works. Okay, 1 to 3, printing on the table of 1 to 3, 3 to 1, printing on the table of 3 to 1. I want the table to be printed over here. So for that, I'll be using a for loop. So we will be using the for loop for that. So for create a temporary variable var, assign the value 1 until variable 1 becomes uh, as variable 1 becomes greater than 10. I want in the particular loop. So till variable 1 is smaller or equal to 10, I want to I want to increment the variable, and after that let's see if it works. I echo out var1 over here. Let's see what happens. say 1, 2, 3. Okay, I guess 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got it. Let me comment this line first. Now let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. If you are getting confused, I'll just add a BR tag of HTML over here. Now let's see. Yes. Now we can now uncomment this. So yeah, and now I can use this to print out the table. So suppose that the user has typed 2 here. So now what I will do over here is that I want to multiply this 2 with this variable, okay, that I have created inside the for loop. So over here I'll just type, suppose that the variable contains number 2. So we are a variable multiplied by this variable, this var var inside the for loop, and the contain value 1 by var var. Okay. Now as this gets over, the var will get incremented by 1. Now the var is equal to 2. Now the same thing happens over here, that 2 and 2 is smaller than 10. Then the step gets repeated until the var reaches 10. As the var reaches 10, so this variable 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20. Now the variable will get incremented over here. Now the var is 11, but 11 is, as we know, 11 is actually greater than 10. So this is not true. This relation is not true. So our for loop will be. Let's see if this works or not. I'll type 2 over here. 2. Okay, wait a second. Okay. Let me add a BR tag over here because it looks like a mess now. Now let's see what happens. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. This is printing out the table of 2. Now let me make it a bit more visible. So echo variable concatenation multiplied by this particular var concatenation equal to concatenation variable into var. Let's see how does it look now. 2. Okay, I guess I have made some mistake. Okay, I forgot here. Now let's see how does it look. Yes, 2 and the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 20. If you want to print out the table of 4, and print out the table of 4. If you want to print out the table of 19, it will print out the table of 19. And I can actually increase the times I want to print out the table by actually, um, if I just add a new input box over here. So input type is equal to number, name is equal to input 2. And if I just get down this data, so I just name it times equal to underscore 4, and I want to get out the input 2. Now uh, now the variable 1 is 1. uh, Suppose that I want to print out the table of 220 times. Alright, so um, 20 times. So as variable 1 becomes 20, I want to print out this loop. So over here I'll just paste times the variable that I created over here. Okay, now let's see what happens. Now I want to print out the table of 19 and I want to print it 10 times. Let's see. Now I want to print out the table of 19. I want to print it 11 times. So I'll get 19, 11. I want to print out the table of 19. I want to print it 20 times and I'll get, right? This is how you can print out any table inside PHP using for loop. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.